In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Microsoft Authenticator from lost phone. If your phone is missing and still has Microsoft Authenticator on it, the goal is to unlink that device from your Microsoft account so it can't be used to approve sign-ins. I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open a trusted browser on a computer or another device you control and go to mysignins.microsoft.com security info. This is Microsoft's official security info page where all your sign-in methods live. If you're on a shared or public computer, consider using a private browsing window and be sure to sign out when you're done for extra peace of mind. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. This can be your personal Outlook or Hotmail account or your work or school account. If you're prompted to approve a notification in the Authenticator app and you no longer have that phone, look for the option that says you can't use the app right now and choose any other verification method you already set up on your account. Use whatever you still have access to and avoid approving anything from the lost device. Once you're in the security info page, you'll see a list of your current sign-in methods. Find the entry labeled Microsoft Authenticator or the one that clearly refers to your old phone. Select it, choose Remove or Delete, and confirm. You may be asked to verify your identity one more time. After you confirm, that device is unlinked from your account and can no longer be used to approve sign-ins. This doesn't erase the phone or the app on it. It simply prevents that app from working with your account going forward. After removing the old device, add your new phone right away so you're not locked out later. Click Add Sign-in Method, choose Authenticator app, and keep that page open. On your new phone, install Microsoft Authenticator from your device's official app store, then open the app and follow the prompts. Back on the security info page, you'll see a QR code. In the app, choose to add an account and scan that QR code. If requested, allow camera access for the scan. The app will connect to your account, and you may receive a test notification to confirm everything works. Approve it, and you're all set. To wrap up, you've removed the lost phone from your Microsoft account and set up a new secure authenticator. Keep at least one backup sign-in method on file, review your security info periodically, and you'll stay in control even if a device goes missing.